Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up the MCW10 wireless LAN unit for the MC Label 3 printer from Star Micronics. I did want to let everyone know that this LAN unit will come set up in the printer before you have to even worry about anything else, but we're just going to show you the manual process today. So first off, you'll want to make sure that your phone or device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that you'll be connecting the printer to, and then go ahead and turn on location services. Next, we'll need to download the Star Quick Setup utility from the App Store and open it up. While you're in the app, click Start Guide Initial Settings. Then, select Use Start Wireless LAN Unit and follow the physical setup steps from there. You'll need to insert your Wi-Fi password credentials and then click Yes. If you receive any sort of error, you'll need to double check that your location services truly are turned on. When prompted to join the network, hit Join. Next, click Yes. A static IP address can be set up later. Click on the IP address to proceed and click Yes. And once you've completed these steps, the printer is connected and you can conduct a test run by selecting Printer Operator Check. So there you have it. Now you know how to successfully set up the wireless LAN unit for the MC Label 3 printer. And you can run a print directly from your phone. Thanks, guys.